A very good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here again with a very interesting topic, that is adaptation. So what is adaptation? Adaptation is the process in which we changes ourselves to our surrounding or to suit the changes to our environment is known as adaptation. So depending upon different categories, adaptation is divided in different types. Like depending upon, in our previous class we have studied about depending upon adaptation of food, we categorize the animal in different 5 categories like herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites, scavengers. So these are the animals which are divided on the basis of food, adaptation on food. So today we will study about adaptation depending upon habitat. Depending upon habitat, animals are categorized in different categories. Before starting with that, what is habitat? Habitat is a natural place where an animal can live. That is known as its habitat. So depending upon habitat, animals are categorized in different categories. So we are having 5 categories here. First is terrestrial animal, second is aquatic animal, third amphibians, and fourth aerial animals, and fifth are arboreal animals. So let's study one by one in detail. First of all, terrestrial animals. Those animals who can live on land are known as terrestrial animals. I know you know very well the examples of animals who live on land. Yes, there are a number of examples of animals who live on land. I have taken 2 examples, lion and rabbit. Can you tell me the other examples? Yes, very good. Elephant, rabbits, already given. Elephant, yes. Deer, yes, very good. So there are lots of animals who can live on land. So these are in the category of terrestrial animals. So next is aquatic animals. Those animals who can live in water are known as aquatic animals. They adapt themselves according to water climate. So that is why they come in the category of aquatic animals. So I have taken 2 examples here like octopus and fish. Can you give me the other examples? I know you all know lots of animals, those who live in water. Can you tell me? Yes, shark, very good, whale, seahorse, many more animals are there who live in water. So next category, very interesting category, that is amphibians. So what are amphibians? Those animals who can adapt themselves to live on land as well to live in water. So those are known as amphibians, means those animals who can live on land as well as in water. Means their body is adapted in such a way that they can live on land as well as and water as well as. So like I have taken 2 examples, frog and salamander. Can you give me one example? Very good. Yes, toad. Toad is also animal who live in, who is amphibian animals. So all the varieties of frogs who live in water as well as on land are considered as amphibians. And there are different varieties of salamander also. Those also are included in the category of amphibians. Next, aerial animals. Very interesting category. Animals who live in air, who spend their most of the time by flying. So those are known as aerial animals. I have taken here example of bat, very good, and a bird. So can you give me the example of aerial animals? Very good, eagle, yes. All the vultures come in the category of aerial animals. They spend most of the time by flying. Very good. So next, moving to the arboreal animals. Animals who spend their most of the time on trees are known as arboreal animals. I have taken 2 examples. You can see this is squirrel and this is monkey. So now you give me 2 examples. Yes, very good. Chimpanzees. They also come in the category of arboreal animals. Chameleon. Yes, very good. Chameleon also come in the category of arboreal animals. Sloth. It also come in the category of arboreal animals. So let's have a quick recap again. So today we have studied about adaptation depending upon different things like depending upon food, depending upon habitat, depending upon protection. So adaptation is categorized in different categories. Today we have categorized. So 5 categories we have studied: terrestrial animals, animals who live on land; aquatic animals, animals who live in water; so amphibians, animals who can live in land as well as in water, are amphibians; aerial animals, animals who spend their most of the time by flying, are known as aerial animals; and arboreal animals, the animals who spend their most of the time on trees, are known as arboreal animals. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.